Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 1st, and this is my analysis of the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the pound US dollar, not really a whole lot changed after FOMC yesterday. A very, very slow FOMC for sure. I think everybody kind of knew that they were not going to raise interest rates. It was kind of already played into the market. But I am still looking at this as a potential uptrend for a wave C. I still think this is an expanding ABC correction, and we are currently in an expanding flat wave C. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, yeah, we've been going down for several weeks now, but I still think this is all subdivisions of a wave 3. I think this right here is a wave 1. I still think this is a WXY of a wave 2. And I still think this move down will make a higher low, and I still think it is all part of this big wave 3. So taking it all down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we did break structure to the downside of probably about 2 or so weeks ago. Ever since that happened, I definitely have been looking for sorts on sort of time frames. To me, this move down actually kind of looks more like a trend than a correction. Kind of makes me think it's only a wave A. So even if it does turn to the upside, it's probably actually going to be a correction to the move down like a wave B, and then probably make another wave C. We do have Bank of England interest rate coming out today, so we'll have to see what that does. As of right now, I'm definitely only looking for shorts no matter what the news does. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. Until we actually get a break of structure to the upside, which currently my structure level is right here. If this does go down and make a new low, then I'll move my structure to this high right here. But until we actually get a nice break and hold above structure, I am only looking for shorts, and I'm only going to go short on shorter time frames at the end of pullbacks. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we got Bank of England news coming out this afternoon. As of right now, I am only looking for shorts. I wouldn't go short right now. I'd be looking to go short there. I would have gone short here, go short back there. Only looking for shorts in a downtrend. The trend is your friend, and the trend definitely is down on the daily time frame. We got Bank of England news coming out today. Maybe it will cause a reversal. Maybe it will cause a break of structure. If it does, after the break of structure, I will start looking for pullback entries to go long. If it doesn't cause a break, then I'll just continue to look for shorts at the end of every single pullback I see for the continuation of the downtrend. The trend is your friend. The trend is definitely down on the daily, so I am definitely looking for shorts on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.